Hello friends, myself Ashmeet Kaur. Today we will discuss the topic, do liquids conduct electricity? It's quite interesting topic. So let's start with first of all what we discuss in this slides: introduction, various tests to check the conductivity of liquids. We will perform these tests with distilled water, tap water, salt solution, lemon juice and vinegar. So, beginning with the introduction, what are liquids? It is the incompressible fluid. That fluid cannot be compressed. As we can see, the milk, water, or oil, these all are liquids that they cannot be compressed. So, it may be water, juice, or any other solution. And do you know they conduct electricity? Yes, they can conduct electricity. Some liquids are good conductors while the others are poor conductors of electricity. That we will see how they conduct electricity in our coming slides. Mostly the solutions of acids, bases, salts are good conductor of electricity. So there are various tests to check the conductivity of liquids. So first is distilled water, that is pure water. As we know that it contains no impurities, no ions or chemicals in it. So what we do, we will take the water, distilled water, and perform the experiment. When we insert our free ends of tester into distilled water, what we see that the bulb not glow. In our circuit here, we can see in the picture there is a circuit and the distilled water. If we put this circuit into the water, the bulb that is present here will not glow. That means the current not flow into the circuit. So it shows that the distilled water is poor conductor of electricity. So next we will perform this same with tap water. That tap water is not pure. It contain impurities as mineral salt, ions, etc. into it. And again we will put our tester into that water. Then we see that the bulb glows. The glowing of the bulb indicates that here is some current in the circuit. So the current is flowing in the circuit. It is a good conductor of electricity. Next we take salt solution. As we know, the salt contain ions in it. So when we put our tester into that solution, the bulb glow more as compared to tap water. Here in the picture we can see that in case of tap water, the bulb is glowing, but it is not as that much that is glowing in salt water. It's dim as compared to salt water. So the salt water is very good conductor of electricity. So till now, what we discuss, we take first of all we take distilled water. Here it is bad conductor of electricity, and next we take tap water. It is good conductor of electricity, and then salt water, that is very good conductor of electricity. Next comes the lemon juice solution. Take a lemon juice into the beaker. Here it contains citric acid. As we know this, it is also allow flow of current into it. Bulb glow as we put tester into it. So it indicates that it is a good conductor of electricity. Last we will take vinegar. Vinegar it's quite different from others. In case of vinegar, it conducts electricity in certain situations. We will discuss both of the situations. First, we will discuss it with bulb. Take a tester and put it into the solution. What we see that bulb will not glow. Here it shows that it is the poor conductor of electricity. But in case if LED is used instead of bulb, it emit current. So it shows that vinegar conduct electricity at very small amount. LED, that is any light emitting device, as these LEDs need a small amount of current to get activated. So here vinegar can do this. So what we see that vinegar can conduct electricity in case of those devices which need small amount of current, but the bulb here needs very much large amount of current, so it not able to glow the bulb will not glow in case of vinegar. So in this way we can check the conductivity of the various liquids. So I think so it's quite interesting to know that how the liquids conduct electricity. They can present as a medium to transmit the current. So here we know that which liquids can conduct electricity and which are not, and which liquids are good conductors and which are bad conductors of electricity. Thank you.